Starting a product-based business used to mean buying inventory, shipping orders, and hoping you didn't waste money on stock that wouldn't sell. But print on demand changed all of that. Now you can launch a brand, create merch, or test product ideas without spending upfront or touching a single package. If you ever wanted to try a side hustle without the risks, this is the easiest place to start. But before that, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's make some money. Before we get into how to start selling quickly, I want to introduce you to Big Cartel. Big Cartel is an affordable e-commerce platform designed specifically for artists and independent sellers. And it's the platform I personally use for my shop. The setup was incredibly fast. It took me less than 30 minutes to get my entire store up and running. And truly, anyone can do this. Now, Big Cartel now integrates directly with Printify. And this partnership makes the process even smoother. Big Cartel lets you run your online store without taking a cut of your sales. And Printify gives you over 1,000 customizable products with global shipping, all free to use. Together, they give artists, makers, and small brands an effortless way to turn ideas into real products in minutes. You don't need inventory. You don't need shipping companies. You don't need a big budget. You bring the creativity, and Big Cartel plus Printify handles everything. It's truly the simplest way to create something once and sell it over and over and over again. Right now, we are on the Big Cartel main page. We're going to open up your store. Press that blue button at the bottom. Hustle without the hassle. I love the tagline. They have the gold, the platinum, and the diamond plan, okay? I'm going to go with the platinum, $15 a month, but I'm going to upgrade to the diamond real soon. Look at the different products. You can sell 50 products with the platinum, 500 with the diamond. Come on. What are you waiting for? Let's do this. Okay, they even have a free one. Now, level up your store with the platinum plan. I'm putting in my shop's name, wealth and wellness. You put in your email address, INSIDEYOURHUSTLE@gmail, and a password. It's a fantastic password. Let's get this. Continue to billing. All right. Now, billing address, put your information in, put your card information, what country you're in, and it's going to bill you. All right. $15, that's nothing. Stop playing around. You can have 50 products in the store for $15. Come on. All right, let's get this. I'm excited right now. All right, welcome. First, what can we call you? Call me CC. Let's do this. All right, where did you hear about us? I heard about you on social media. Make sure you click on so they know where they found you. They big on social media, I'm telling you. All right, what best describes you? I just exploring. That's what I'm doing. I'm exploring for now. Okay, click next. All right, so what are you planning to sell? I'm going to be linking my print-on-demand products. Are you kidding me? Let's do this. Printify. Press next. Okay, you're almost there. We sent you an email to verify. Now you just go to your email, verify, boom. We are in. Welcome, CC. We are in the building with Big Cartel. I'm loving this. Okay, now I'm putting in my name. My shop domain's name is Wealth and Wellness. Okay, shop's name, shop description with Smart Money Moves. Okay, we're going to put something. Okay, it's with Smart Money Moves. Meet Feel Good Fitness. Oh my goodness. I'm loving that. Okay, so now these are different ways. These are features. They have integration. You can integrate with so many different apps with Big Cartel, okay? I'm integrating Printify, but look at all the other integrations, okay? Google Shopping, digital products, okay? It just goes on and on and Chatway live chat. MailChimp. Okay. All right. Now, y'all know MailChimp. Pirate Ship. Let's get this. Come on. You can also design things to your app. Look at this. Shop sprinkles. I can add little fun animated emojis on. I love that. That's okay. Pinterest. Okay. All right, so there's so many different integrations. I gotta go back on that later. I'm gonna be integrating a few, but right now we're doing Printify, okay? We're gonna set up Printify. Let's do this. The purple button, set up Printify. It's easy. Create a Printify account, create a shop in a Printify, tap add to your shop. A prompt will appear to grant Big Cartel. Select your shop you want to connect to your Big Cartel store. Boom. It's so simple. 5 simple steps. Set up Printify. Let's do this. Okay? Connect to Big Cartel, Wealth and Wellness. We are allowing them to connect Big Cartel to our merchant shop so they can get access to my catalog, to the shop, everything. You have to press the green button, allow. Okay? Printify shop, Wealth and Wellness. We are almost there. I'm so excited right now. You got to manage this. Here's my products. Create your first product. Let's create Wealth and Wellness. We're going with the unisex quarter zip pillow pullover. Now, I love a good pullover, okay? But I like the one that zip. You get a little too hot. Unzip a little bit of it. When you're working out, this is it. You're on your way home. You just throw this on. 1, 2, 3. Look at all the different colors. That's my logo. The big W right there for the win. All right. It comes in so many different colors here. Oh, and Printify, you could put your own background on now. They got the different background, mock-up backgrounds available. So, of course, confirm that. And I have him in a gym. You see what I'm saying? Got to get the vibe going, the energy going. You're in the gym. Look at all the different colors. Okay, you can also change the description with AI. You see that title right there? I can change the title and the description. Generated with AI. Put in quarter zip pullover with Wealth and Wellness logo. And watch, let's see it generate. Boom, there you go. Product description. Apply to the listing. We are just upgrading our listing. We just changing it. We stepped it up, okay? We leveled up, all right, with AI. Now we have it in the store here. Look at the price. I changed it to $40. We're making a profit of $16.79, which is 42% profit, okay? The product cost is $23.21. I'm charging $40 even for the extra large and the 4X, okay? And we have 7 colors available. Look at that $10 profit. Okay, I'm not charging extra for the 4X, so don't even worry, okay? Now we're going to publish this. And here we go. This is it right here in the store. I'm so excited. Let's see it in the store. Oh my goodness. Wealth and Wellness. Okay, I'm in this. Now we need another outfit. We need something else, a tank top. Because when you're in the gym, you're going to try to show your muscles, right? You're hot, you're working out, you want to show off your gains, your biceps, your triceps. Let's do this, okay? Look at the tank top. All right, so here we go. We got all the different colors. We're putting in the logo, Wealth and Wellness. I love it. She looks serious, like she's not playing. She's in the gym. She's not playing with you, okay? So let's try to just change up the price, okay? Let's change that up. We're gonna we're gonna charge $28. It's $15.16 for the product, $28, 36% profit. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, $28. You know you need that tank top. Come on. You know you need that tank top. You want to look good in the gym. Let's go with the sweatpants. Unisex garments, fleece sweatpants. I'm loving that. You're going to see me wearing those, okay? Look, it's a U.S. shipper. It's a U.S. seller. So it's only going to take like 3 days for you to receive it. Look at, here's the logo on the left side of the pants. Look, okay, different colors. The darker the pants, it seems like the logo pops a little bit better, right? So we're going to go with the darker color, the darker, warmer colors, the logo pops, okay? We got all the sizes up to 2XL. And here we go. Okay, let's see all the color. Oh, I love that. I love that. Oh, that's my color right there. That's my color right there. I love it. It's like a teal, like a bluish teal. Okay. Put them in the background, the mock background from Printify. Save the product. He's right next to the weights. All right. I'm loving it. We're going to change up we're going to generate it with AI. The description, Wealth and Wellness. Let's see what it comes up with. There you go. These garment dyed fleece sweatpants carry a quiet confidence. A subtle wealth and wellness logo rests low. I love it. Oh my goodness. Low and clear. I love it. I got to read that. I got to read all that. I love the 40% profit. Yes. Yes. 62.40. Let's get it down. Let's get it down to 55. All right. Because I want everybody to purchase these. I don't want no excuse. Okay, 50. I like 50. I like $50. Let's do $50. Okay. And let's see. Okay. There you go. I'm still making a profit off the fleece sweatpants. I'm loving this. We're going with the fitness. We're going with the whole fitness gear for 2026. We're going to look good for 2026. We're going to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. There you go. I love these colors. And I'm going to be rocking these. I'm going to show you these next week. I'm going to be wearing these. Next week, I'm wearing this. All right? Active wear. This is it. Product status. Yes. Now, your shop is in maintenance mode. You have to make sure to remember to turn it off the maintenance mode, okay? That's when you launch the shop. You turn off the maintenance and we're about to launch, okay? But before we launch, we have to add payments. How are you going to get paid? Okay, so now we got to accept payments with Stripe or whatever payments you want to do with PayPal. I'm going with the Stripe right now. We have all different payment plans. We got the Afterpay. We have different ways they got the, you could do like the 4 payments. You can give that to everybody so they can have a chance. Ready to launch? Yes, I'm ready to launch. Are you kidding me? I'm going to have it on all social media. We have launched, everybody. Check it out. I even got the Afterpay on there. $40 for, come on, a quarter zip pullover. That's a great bargain. Oh my goodness. That is a steal. I'm loving this. And there's going to be more products to come. I'm loving this. We got this with Big Cartel. We know how to launch a store. It took less than 20 minutes to do this. And you know you can do this. It was simple, step by step. If you're not sure, watch it again. I go step by step. Big Cartel made it so much easier to launch a store. Thank you. If you've been wanting to launch a merch line, test a new product, or finally start that side hustle, this is your sign. Big Cartel's Printify integration makes it fast, affordable, and beginner-friendly. Check out my link down below so you can start your shop and drop your first product today. Your idea is ready. Now it's time to make it real. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Big Cartel. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.